Greetings, this is Brian Mitchell from Intergen. I want to thank you for your interest in Intergen's web design services. This video is to demonstrate the benefits of Joom Social, our social networking component that we're able to incorporate into any of the websites that Intergen designs. To demonstrate this component today, I'd like you to direct you to pinezapple.com. Pinezapple is a recent project of Intergen. I'm going to log in as the administrator today because I want to demonstrate the full flexibility of all of the features. Everything that I'm going to show off with the social networking component is able to be enabled or disabled with permissions for different groups. So as organizations want to control what content is on their site and what features are available, they're able to do so for particular user groups. But today we're logged in as the admin, so we have full control of everything. This is the home page of our social networking component. It has a typical status indicator. Along with status, we're able to upload photos, videos, and we'll talk about events in just a few moments. In addition, we can see recent activities of all users on the social networking component directly embedded within your website. We of course have an opportunity to change items related to our user profile. We can also manage who we're connected to in terms of other users on our particular website. Groups is a compelling feature for many organizations. I just clicked on that, and you can see that I'm a member of the Poker on the Fox planning group. If I wanted to create another group within my organization to partner on a different project or initiatives, I would simply click on the Create link as an administrator, and it gives me the ability to create a new group name, to list a group description. We can put groups in different categories if you have different divisions within your organization, and then we can list the group as public, meaning anyone is able to join, or private, meaning as the administrator I can control who's in the group and who's not. They can request permission to join, but it's up to me to provide approval. So that is the groups feature of the social networking component. As an individual user, I can upload photos and create photo albums. I have not done so yet. We also have the ability to link to videos from Vimeo or YouTube as well, so users can upload their own videos, and I'll show you the result of that in just a moment. Finally, I want to show off the events component within this. It allows us to create particular events that we can invite people to participate in. We create those very much the same way that we would that we demonstrated for creating groups. What I'd like to show is how a list of upcoming events can be generated for the website. So as different users create different events, they would be listed within the website. We can log into a particular event, and we get information about when and where the event is, and then in addition, the software automatically uses Google Maps to generate a map based on the location information that's provided, and then different users can either agree that they're attending the event or not, or they can post comments about the event, how excited they are to be participating. And again, it's a very simple process. We simply click the Create Event link. We can create a title for the event, list a description, choose a category, and this is where we would enter the location information that will be used by Google Maps to generate the map. We have a start and an end time. We can designate which time zone the event occurs in, and then of course again public or private, how many spots are available, or 0 if we want it to be an unlimited event, and then we can allow guests to be invited by their friends as well, and then we simply create the event from there. Back to videos, I'm going to go back to the home panel, and that's going to show us our activity stream for other users. And if I scroll down just a little ways, I realize that Mike DeFrisco has uploaded a video to his account. So we're going to click on the video, and you can see that it is linked from YouTube, and Mike was able to set this up on his own. And he listed a description for his video, and then of course we have an opportunity to list comments. And the video plays just like any other standard YouTube embedded video.
For the first time in over 50 years, Cubans will be allowed to travel abroad for tourism. Details are beginning.
But it's a very easy to use interface, so it's very simple and straightforward. And again, we can turn this feature on or off for different users or different groups of users, and then there are some features for sharing the video, for controlling content and making sure everything is appropriate. So that's a brief overview of Joom Social, our social networking component. I hope you've learned something and enjoyed this overview. Thanks much, and we look forward to working with you soon.